Watch some TV. Breaking news! There is a hurricane, so stay inside for further notice. So I been out this morning and found out there's a hurricane. So stay inside. I'm not convinced there's a hurricane. I'm going outside. I don't see any hurricanes. Wait, no! God, it's a hurricane! Quick! I finally made it in the house. Quick! I need to close the window. Oh, thank God it's closed. What are you so worried about? Hurricane! There's no hurricane, okay? I just went outside and there was a hurricane. I thought Hattie was faking it, but it turns out he's right. Yeah, we better not go outside. Yeah. So yeah, that Pixu, do not go outside. Okay. Right, everybody on this couch, listen up. Do not go outside. It's a hurricane. Am I clear? Yes, Waddle. Okay. As long as we stay inside, we're safe. Wait a second, I think the hurricane's coming to the house.